Video bar plus different accessories use method. Combine the tripod connection rod with the tripod. Insert the video bar to vertically connect the video bar to the ground. Push the hook slider from the bottom into the video bar. Tighten the slide screw. Screw gasket is placed at the bottom of the hook and connected with the hook slide. You can suspend the video bar. Two video bars can be connected using a straight connecting rod. The three-dimensional connector can work with various connector. By using different accessories can be matched with more different shapes. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.